Hello Aquarius, this is your channel messages for the 2nd of I was going to say May, for the 2nd of April, Aries. Let us go ahead and go into your reading today to see what is in your energy. Are you listening to ASMRs? Aquarius. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Okay. We have the Hermit coming out first. You're dealing with a Virgo Aquarius. I'm getting you're getting up very early in the morning. Are you going jogging? You need to be careful and make sure that MK Ultra, make sure an alien is not connecting to your brain and telling you to go outside. You might get kidnapped. You need to know when the government is. Sir, this is Hunger Games. This is survival of the fittest. We are going to see, you know, when the real game going to set in. When you see, because all of us are already hooked up to a simulation, know them are gonna run the simulation and see who can get out. That's like them going to push a button and thousands of people just going to start walk off our bridge. And if you know how to control your chip, then you can be the one to turn your back and walk. You can do a U-turn on the bridge. Otherwise, the others, them program already. We're getting something about the Hermit. We're getting you spending a lot of time alone. We're getting isolation. We're kind of getting something about going back in another lockdown. Yeah, we're getting, yeah, go back in, we're getting war. We're getting something from the clouds. We're getting something coming from the sky. I'm also getting, we're getting Aquarius, you're trying to hide your involvement. We're getting we're getting a Virgo is one of 8 people who has been targeting you. The Ace of Cups. I'm not sure if this is a pleasure, do it targeting you. Or me getting is because you're a young mogul. We're getting your young coming up, you're the 10 of Cups. Could be something about who your family is. We're getting something about your mother. So I'm getting you being targeted because of your mother or your father. We're getting something about a lockdown. I'm kind of getting something about an identity being hidden. We're getting your identity being hidden. Something about your family. I feel like somebody I look for your family. I don't know your family, you know, but I feel like is the FBI looking for your family? I feel like some big people I look. I don't know where I don't know what a Virgo involved in. Cause me getting maybe a Virgo was involved in something, and that's what caused the family to get punished. But me getting a child out of the family that is light. Them like the child. But them is like, but if we don't fuck with the daddy and we don't fuck with the mother, how we gonna fuck with the child? Well, if we're talking about CIA shit, is either you have to turn the child against the parents. So either you're going to have to paint the father in a terrible light, either, you know, make him be something terrible to society so that the daughter and son or son can reprogram and the mind and say, oh my God, I'm nothing like their family. Thank you, Canadian government. Right? Or you do the things to the mother, expose all the shit the mother used to do, whether she used to sell, say she was a whore, I don't know if she did porn, so that the son or the daughter can be like, I'm nothing like my mother. I'm a feminist. I want to work. Right? Okay. So if the government don't fuck with their father or the mother, but them fuck them, usually if them don't like your mother and them like your father, the kids will never have a chance. I'm getting there's something about one kid what them like. Now them don't know if them can trust you. You might run back to daddy and tell daddy everything. You also might run back to mommy and tell mommy everything too. So if you're doing CIA, you have to turn the kid against the parents. No, if you kill the father and the kid find out, you don't know if the kid, You can kill the father and tell the kid that, oh, your father deserved it. But you have to make sure say the kid's stupid. Because if the kid's smart, the kid will say, you kill the blood clot father because you didn't want me for work for you. You have to be very careful when you give guns to certain people. You understand? Great. I'm getting something about the mother. I don't know if the mother is cooperating more than the father. The father is like, go suck your mother. The father is no. The mother might cooperate more. I don't know what I don't know what this is. I'm getting on a... What's the hermit? The devil. Yeah, when I try for, when I have to make the father look like a fucked up person. If you know want the blood clots. This is how you depatronize them. Yes. So that your child walk around telling the horrible stories of the monster that them parents is. My parents was on drugs. My parents did crack. You have to make the child hate the parents if you need to use the child. If the child's smart, you get fucked. Because the child never hate the parents. Because that's like telling somebody, you know, we killed your dad because your dad was a murderer. Anyways, here's a gun. Go shoot the fucking president of UN. So you ask me to do the same thing. You're telling me you punish my father for though. That seems weird. Yes, you have to make sure the kid dumb. You have to make sure the kid don't rationalize things properly. Because I'm getting you feel like somebody fathered the devil. Okay, the devil, you know what? The devil had a child. This is the issue. This is why reproduction, this is why family planning is so destructive. Can you imagine if Hitler's offspring was still here? What would you think about the Western world? Can you imagine how brainwashed Hitler's kids would have been? How the government didn't like your dad. You know America hated your dad? America wasn't even fighting. But the kids of Hitler would have been told that American people hate them. Right? Remember the kids them don't know nothing, you know. The kids them a grow up. Them don't know what the fuck that Hitler was doing and Hitler and Hitler. Them don't know what the fuck Hitler and Hitler was doing. But the grands, in for them country, the rumor would be, don't go to America, them would kill you. Them hate you. Was America even fighting in the war? No. But it's the offspring. Yeah, come and get in the government. I don't know where your father or your mother do. What's the Ace of Cups? The 10, yeah, we have the 10 again, yeah. So I'm getting somebody that try to turn against this Capricorn. They're going to try to turn against this Virgo. And let me tell you something. Since we see how the fucking people so brainwashed for go mash up car. Them really, yeah, mash up Tesla. Yeah, mash up car. Why you never go raid food place? You saw them brave? Them brave for key car, but them can't rob food. Them brave for go key blood clot car under fucking high-tech camera. Cause everybody motherfucking know anywhere a Tesla fucking dealership is. The CTT footage have to secure. You're brave. You're so brave for go key car in front of, but you can't. But food. You're up online and cry about the prices of food. But you see you run a key car in public. You see some of them have strength for certain things. You're getting somebody who make your father or your mother look like a traitor. Because them need you. But them don't like your father. Maybe you don't know where your father is. But you think a Virgo. Don't know what a Virgo did. We have the angel. Getting... I don't know how y'all control this one. Someone's like, you know what? I don't choose sides. You know what? You know what? My dad doesn't like you. You don't like my dad. It is what it is. Them is like, no. Choose one. He's a traitor. He's a murderer. He worked for the other side. You know what? I can see where both of you are wrong. No! Yeah, because this is what you're fucking, you see? This is what the Virgo is. See you here? The angel. You're not choose us. You're them needed for choose a side. Because them don't know when the Page of Pentacles reap, will it be reap for the devil or it's going to be reap for the people? Them don't know if them trust. Them obviously don't trust this nigga. Them don't trust the fucking Virgo. I don't know what the fuck the Virgo do. Them not trust him. Not a they trust you. He's the angel. The government is like your father is a fucking criminal and he deserved to get, he deserved the death penalty. And you're like, I could see where there's animosity on both sides, but I just feel like it is what it is. And they're like, no. Me getting you need a second handler. Yes. The 5 of Wands. Something cannot work if you don't hate somebody. Something can't work if you're not angry with somebody. The Ace of Swords. Me getting something more. I don't know. The truth are gonna hurt. But let me tell you something. Anything your father do, Harvey Weinstein did worse. Any blood clot thing them say your father did do, Stephen Shiner did blood clot worse. You can't make me blood clot. Me is my own mouth. I shall be shamed of who I want to be shamed. Anything your blood clot mother did do, Stephen Shiner the blood clot worse. Any fucking thing your mother did, Nicole Kidman did blood clot worse. I make me no free for talk. You ain't Drew Barrymore, bitch. What the fuck up? When you ain't Lindsay Lohan, ho. Anything your blood, anything, your father a murderer, your father was a real nigga. That's what the fuck your father could have been in the motherfucking military. Anything your blood clot father do. Stephen Shiner did worse to Miranda Cosgrove and the fucking staff of Nickelodeon. Them a hide the blood clot pedophiles, but your father if you bring me to blood clot justice. Your father is a criminal. Your father had traffic. Your father have, okay. Alright. Okay, what about Stephen Shiner? What happened to fucking Drew Barrymore? What for your justice there? What the people them who are talking in Hollywood? Well, where is Megan Fox justice? For what she got through? Where is Shia LaBeouf blood clot justice? When they nearly blood clot. Just do it! When they nearly fucking mad Shia LaBeouf and blacklist him. Where is fucking Jim Carrey's blood clot justice? Anything your blood clot father do, tell them say the Hollywood they do blood clot worse. Them why you feel shame. Your blood clot puppet. The fuck? Nobody not supposed to make you talk to you. Nobody not supposed to make you hate your own family. You for hate them for your personal reason. You for out with your friends and when your family calling you say, you know what, I'll send them an email later. Don't make nobody sway you. Your son is a criminal, okay. I'm not saying that your son's supposed to be let innocent. Your son is a criminal, okay. Some of them blood clot people are rapists. And them a get where. And them a go back a blood clot work per Monday morning. Anything your blood clot mother or father do. Your mother used to say your father used to blood clot kill people for your fucking living. Maybe he's a hitman. Or Stephen Shiner did the blood clot worse. And there's no justice there. Wait till the people them start wake up. That's why the whole shit that happened with Luigi, the young people, that's why them don't care. Look how them take death so lightly. This wasn't Jail Bay guy where the guy was booked in prison and a mugshot was leaked. This guy assassinated a UN president. Look how people were so unbothered by the death of this man. Because they must say, okay, but what you did though? What you do? Anytime I hear about killing and these things, the first thing I say, what you do? What you in? What kind of lie you tell? Because I know people mad, it's true, people mad. But let me tell you something, people mad for certain. The ghosts know who to frighten. The ghosts know who to fucking frighten. I'll tell you that. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.